Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I will tell you how to fix slow call volume problem in iPhone. First of all, in first method you have to turn the call and volume up with the help of your volume button. And in second method you have to open setting and go to accessibility. Open it. Now you have to go on touch, tap on it, and now you have to tap on call or audio routing. Tap on it and it must be on automatic mode and not on Bluetooth headset speaker or auto answer call mode. It must be on automatic mode. After checking all this, you have to go back in accessibility again. Now tap on hearing device. You have to tap on hearing device and make sure your hearing and hearing aid compatibility must be turned off. Now go back to accessibility again and go back to accessibility again, and now tap on audio and visual aid. Tap on this and you have to tap on phone noise cancellation. It must be turned off. Here you can see it is turned off. Now go back to setting and open general. Here tap on it and now you have to update your software to latest version. Make sure it is updated to latest version. After that go back to general and open transfer or reset iPhone. Open it and now tap on reset and you have to tap on reset all setting. Tap on this and after that enter your password and make sure you have to tap on reset all setting. Tap on it and your problem will be solved.